Hello everyone, my name is Vrinda Sharma and welcome back to Idea Usher, your go-to channel for all things innovative and exciting. I am a representative of Idea Usher and I have got something really interesting in store for all the users today. Our team has worked tirelessly to develop an incredible application for our esteemed client. It is called Parkster. Picture this. You're in a bustling city, ready to enjoy your day out, but finding a parking spot seems impossible. Well, Parkster is the answer to all your parking worries. It is a user friendly mobile application that allows users to locate the best possible parking space near their desired destination. But before telling the users about the app's exciting new features, I am going to go through the login as well as the sign up process. So without any further ado, let's get started. So after downloading the app from the App Store, the users can open the application and this is the page that will appear in front of them. They have to click on next. And there are two processes. First is sign up and the second is login. So when it comes to the sign up process, the users have to click on the get started button. This process is for the users who do not have an account and are creating a new account on the app. So they have to add all the necessary details such as their name, email address, phone number, and then click on the get started button. They also have the option of continuing with the process through their Google ID. So after clicking on the get started button, they have to enter the 4-digit verification code that has been sent on their registered mobile number and then click on next and they will get signed up for the app. For the users who already have an account on the app, they have to go through the login process. So after opening the application, this is the page that will appear in front of them. They have to select their country, add their mobile number and click on send code. After this, they have to add the 4-digit verification code that has been sent on their registered mobile number and that's it. They will get logged into the app. Okay, once the users are through with the login or the sign up process, the application is going to take them to the home page. The entire app is completely user friendly as mentioned before and very easy to navigate through. From the home page, the users need to go to the My Account section by clicking on this button given at the bottom on their right hand side. In the My Account section, there are 3 segments: My Profile, My Vehicles and Payment Methods. By clicking on the My Profile section, users will be able to see all the necessary details which they had added before, like their name, their email ID, their mobile number. They can edit and save these details as per their preferences. Then once they go to the My Vehicle section, the application gives them the option of adding their vehicle details like the type of vehicle which they own, the license plate number. They also have the option of clicking a picture of their license plate number and adding that by clicking on the camera button given right here, and also adding their car model and then click on add vehicle. Once back on this page, then the users need to go to the payment methods section. They need to add their payment info. Just to take an example, if they are adding their credit card, they need to mention the card holder's name, the card number. They also have the option of clicking a picture and adding that, the expiry date of the card, CVV and other such details, and then click on save card details. The application also gives the users the option of linking their wallets. Now I'm going to tell the users how to book a parking spot near their desired destination. They can search for the destination in the search bar or they can choose the location on the map as well. Just to take an example, if I choose a location, this window will appear in front of the users. It will mention the number of parking spots available, how far away is the location, how much a parking spot is going to cost them per hour. If they are interested, they can click on book now, and the specific location details will come in front of them. They can also call the place. They can also look at the directions on the map on how to reach that place. They can also share the link of that place on other social media platforms with their friends. And once they have gone through all the essential information, they need to choose the parking time for which they require the spot to park their vehicle, and then click on book. Then they need to choose the floor on which they would like to park their vehicle on, choose a spot, and then click on proceed. After that, all the details, all the options which they had chosen will appear in front of them. They can also update the details. They also have the option of rating the location as per this 5-star scale. After seeing all this necessary information, they can click on pay and confirm. After adding all their payment details, their payment will be made successful, and this page will appear in front of them. It will show them their name, their phone number, their car model, their parking pass, parking slot, their location, and their timing details. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. We hope that you enjoyed the video, and I will see you all next time.